Dropbox has finally joined the AI race by announcing 2 new AI tools that they would be offering alongside their services. While I still have not been replaced by AI, the AI bandwagon isn't coming to an end anytime soon. I'm Bervin, and this is your weekly tech news. Now we can finally say that Dropbox is more than just a cloud storage company, thanks to their first new AI product, Dropbox Dash. Alright, the cheesy acting aside, it is a universal search tool that helps us organize, search and add various types of documents, presentation, links all into one place. And we can even expand its potential using extensions like Google Workspace, Microsoft Outlook and more. The best way to understand this is by thinking of how we arrange music inside different playlists. In simpler terms, it is similar to Raycast or Spotlight on macOS, but with some extra sauce on the top. By the way, I'm planning to make a full The State of AI video, so make sure to hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss that AI-culous video. Additionally, Dropbox is also adding summarization feature within its platform. Now this is where things get really interesting. Instead of scoping through large documents, meeting recordings, Dropbox can summarize them for you. One less job for me, right? And want to know the best part? Dropbox allows you to ask questions and get answers relevant to those documents within seconds with just a single prompt. I mean, isn't that crazy? Figma held their Config 2023 event where they've announced a bunch of new features, including an all-new dev mode so that developers don't cry anymore when they look at a design, as they have the necessary code in CSS, SwiftUI and more present with them right inside Figma. And the best part, you have an official Figma VS Code plugin to make designing and coding much more seamless. And of course, designers have also gotten a lot of love. We finally have variables that makes responsive design much more intuitive. As a UI and UX designer, this was one of my most requested features. By the way, speaking of most requested, we cannot forget about the new font picker. It shows preview of the font that you're trying to apply, and it also gives a new tag to those fonts that have been recently added to your computer. And of course, we got a new wrap feature for auto layout. And last but certainly not the least, drumroll please, prototyping now has conditionals, mathematical operations and inline previews. After Apple's Vision Pro announcement, Meta has finally stopped crying in the corner, and they have started rolling out their new version 55 software update for Quest 2 and Quest Pro. The update increases Quest 2's GPU performance by 19% and Quest Pro, that we thought was expensive, and now what do you think? Vision Pro gets an 11% GPU boost, and both VR headsets get a 26% boost in their CPU performance as well. Alongside the performance improvement, we also get multi-touch support that makes interaction with 3D objects much more intuitive. Marvel's most anticipated series, Secret Invasion, is facing a lot of backlash, as its intro sequence is created entirely using AI, and artists are angry. They took their anger to the best platform that exists for it, Twitter. I mean, where else they could have gone? Reddit? But AI is already coming for our jobs, right? Nah.
This is fine. I'm okay with the events that are unfolding currently.
This was a really exciting week for tech, and I am particularly excited about the new prototyping features and variable feature in Figma. But how do you feel about Marvel using AI for Secret Invasion's intro sequence or Dropbox's new AI tools? Let me know in the comments down below. That's it for this week. See you next time. Peace.